Shopify dropshipping right now is extremely undervalued as a business model, and the competition in the Shopify dropshipping game right now is back to what it was like in 2019, and that's extremely good for you guys that are beginners and for those that are currently crushing it. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Sebastian and is the ECOM King, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the proof and the charts that are telling me that Shopify dropshipping right now is extremely undervalued as a business model. I'm also going to be showing you that the competition right now is what it was like in 2019, and 2019 was the year I made my first $1 million in revenue with Shopify dropshipping. Now, for those that are asking if this is a good thing or a bad thing, this is a very good thing for those that take advantage of this current opportunity. So when you're hearing people saying that dropshipping is dead, the reason why they're saying that is because it's not very competitive right now in the industry. This is the saying that I live by: when people are fearful, I'm very greedy, and when people are greedy, I'm very fearful. Right now, I'm extremely greedy on Shopify dropshipping and e-commerce. Now, because Shopify dropshipping is such a great opportunity right now to get involved in, I'm going to be giving away $100 as soon as we hit 2,000 likes in this video, and all you need to do is comment the reason why you need to win that $100, how it can help you with your Shopify dropshipping business, and I'll be picking a winner once we hit 2,000 likes. Now, before I show you guys the proof and the chart showing that Shopify dropshipping right now is undervalued, you need to understand what Shopify dropshipping is a part of, so this makes complete sense. Shopify dropshipping is a part of something called the make money online industry. Now, this contains these different business models: Shopify dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, and SMMA. Now, with all those business models that I've just mentioned, they're always competing with each other for popularity. Shopify dropshipping is currently at the bottom of that list in popularity. Now, funny enough, Shopify dropshipping was at the top of that list back in 2020 and 2019. So the first bit of proof and chart data is going to be directly from Google Trends. And for those that don't know what Google Trends is, it's basically where Google collects a lot of data based on search terms and loads of other different things, and they basically show you on a graph how trending is it right now. Now, the first search term that I've got is dropshipping. It's based on worldwide, not just one country, and it's from 2004. It's crazy to think that far back. Now, if we take a look at the chart, you can see nothing here because really dropshipping was not really out back then. And then all of a sudden, the trend started to begin and it went on a rapid growth. And you can see we peaked on this chart back in January 2021. Now, since then, we've been going down. You can see we've aggressively gone down. Now, on this chart, it shows you that the trendingness is back from 2019 December. Now, this chart has been updated, but the other day that we were all the way down here on this line, which was back in 2019. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys some more search terms based on the make money online industries, and the next one is going to be Amazon FBA, and this one's very close to dropshipping because it is technically part of dropshipping, and you can see it's got the same stuff worldwide, 2004, and you guys can see it peaked out in August 2021, and you can see since then we've been on a massive decline in trend. If I show you affiliate marketing, you can see again it peaked out sometime in June 2021, and since then it's been on a downtrend. If I show you SMMA, which is social media marketing, you can see that it's been quite trending throughout the whole duration. It's done pretty well, but you can see now again it's on its way down, and the peak of the trend in SMMA was back in August 2020. Now, if I show you cryptocurrency on the other hand, you can see out of all of them, it's done the complete opposite. It's actually gone crazy with the trend. You can see it's the only one that is spiking up in the trend and not down in the trend, and it's going up very aggressively. Before I give you guys my thoughts on the Google Trends charts and why I think it's like that, let me show you some more proof that I think is back in my theory, which is directly from YouTube. What I've done is I've searched for Shopify dropshipping, and this little tool here called vidIQ, and I've been using this for years now, shows you the overall score for a search term in YouTube. Now, something you need to understand is those that are interested in those make money online industries like affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, they all look for content to learn from YouTube, so they're very correlated. Now, you can see that the overall score for this search term is 59. Now, 100's the best, 0's the worst. Now, this will tell you how much people are interested in it and what's the competition like at the moment. Now, the volume's not very high and the competition is not very high either. Now, if we look at Amazon FBA, you can see that it's at 69, so it's a lot higher than Shopify Dropshipping. If we look at SMMA, it's 77, even higher. Now, if we look at affiliate marketing, it's at 67, it's not doing amazing. But if we look at Bitcoin, it's at 87. That is extremely high. Now, my thoughts on that Google Trends data and the YouTube search volume data shows that cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is currently dominating the make money online industry, which me and you are a part of. Now, it also shows that people that are interested in this make money online industry and community, now most people, I'm not saying all people, but most people chase the hottest thing right now. And the hottest thing right now in this industry is cryptocurrency. You're seeing people that are from all these different industries like SMMA, dropshipping, all change their channels and their Twitters to cryptocurrency, and they're now becoming crypto experts. So that just shows you that everybody's in crypto right now. There's nothing wrong with cryptocurrency. It's a great way to make money and invest your money. I'm a part of the industry myself and I've invested a lot of money, but my main income source and my main baby is ECOM, and I'll never leave it because I know how powerful it is. Now, what a lot of people are trying to do right now is they're trying to chase the latest thing. Now, when something is very popular, then you should be looking at the things that are not very popular right now. Now, if I was to give you my forecast on what I think those graphs will do in the next year to 2 years, is this: cryptocurrency and Bitcoin will have a bear market very, very soon. I reckon in 2022 at some point. And once that happens, a few months later, the money will flow from crypto into those other ways to make money online, whether it be dropshipping, Amazon FBA, you name it. But I do reckon dropshipping will become the most popular one out of those again. Now, for those that don't know what a bear market means, it basically means where the market crashes and it stays like that for a good few years. Now, let me give you guys a thought experiment. Now, back in 2019, when dropshipping was actually the best in terms of popularity out of the other different industries, remember, cryptocurrency, nobody cared about it, nobody wanted it, nobody was even bothered with it. When Bitcoin was only $4,000, nobody was interested. Now, if you was actually accumulating Bitcoin at that time, you would have made way more money now than you would be accumulating it right now. Now, the same thing, but for dropshipping. Dropshipping is now not the popular thing. People ain't really bothered about it anymore, but this is the best time to be starting your online business in dropshipping, when people aren't bothered about it anymore. And the reasons why is because the competition's lower, there's more stock available because suppliers are not being bought out by more actual sellers in dropshipping, and your competition on your ads are going to be less competitive, meaning that they're going to be cheaper and there's less people selling the same products as you. Now, there are other factors involved that are making dropshipping less popular, like Facebook ads being a complete pain in the you-know-what, and that's driving people to different things nowadays. And the same happened back in 2018 to 2019 with SMMA, where a lot of people from dropshipping moved to SMMA and then came back in the late 2019, early 2020. And this just shows you that a lot of people that are part of this industry make money online. They're all trying to chase what's the latest and the greatest. So guys, check this out. This is one of the most profitable stores that we've been running this year, and I'm going to be refreshing the screen so you know this is real. And we're doing around about 40 to 60% profit margins on this store, which is crazy. Now, you can see on the 1st of November, which was a few days ago, we did 15,000 euros, which is around about $20,000 in one single day. And remember, those profit margins that I've just said, around about 40 to 60%. So you work out the numbers, it's good numbers. Now, if I show you another day, now with this store, we do normally just big days on the odd occasion. And the reason why we do that is because of the way we structured the store out. And I've made a video about this and I'll leave it a link in the description. Now, if you look on the 9th of May this year, you can see we did 68,000 euros, which is just shy of around about $90,000 in just one day. Now, if I show you the actual year-to-year basis on this store, the numbers ain't massive, the 216,000, but remember the profit margins that I've just explained. Our biggest day with Shopify dropshipping, including the profit margins that we made, was this year, and it was that day on the 8th of May where we did around about 55% on $80,000. You work out the numbers. That was our biggest day with the biggest amount of profit we've ever done in Shopify dropshipping. Now, previous to that, our biggest day before that was back in 2019, and I actually made a video about it, and that was my previous biggest day based on revenue and in profit. So that just shows you that there's some form of correlation here between 2019 and 2021 end of the year. So guys, let me know what you think of today's video in the comment section below. Let me know if you agree with me or disagree with me, and if you do, let me know the reasons why, and let me know if you're going to be starting your Shopify dropshipping business this year. And also remember guys, the new free course comes out on the 1st of January 2022, and it's going to be roughly around about 8 to 10 hours, and it's going to be the best course on the game, and no other course competes with it. And remember, this is going to be a free course, no paid. It's going to be directly on YouTube like my other free courses, but this course is going to be better than paid courses and free courses put together. I'll catch you guys on the next video.